friends, Erika here, back with day 17 of the 31 days of spooky scraps. Today's prompt is pets, and I have the incredible Brianna Lepper joining me today, so please be sure to check out her awesome take in the link below. Today I will be making a 12 by 12 page with two main segments of differently colored patterned paper, documenting two photos in the middle with a darker bar for some contrast, a trick that I like to do if I don't have something that's long enough. If it's gonna be covered by photos anyways, I just cut it in the middle. I'm documenting a couple of photos of my doggy Cheetles, who unfortunately did pass in January, but she was with us for 13 wonderful years, so we're very grateful to have had her. She was the best dog. I know everybody says that, but she truly was. So from here, I'm just building my layers, figuring out exactly what it is I want to do, and then I kind of realized that the background's color scheme looks a little too familiar. So if you're thinking Mickey or Winnie the Pooh, then you know what? I've come too far, so it is what it is. So I am having a little bit of issues with both of my Kikuyu liners for some reason this week. I have a thicker one and a thinner one, and there's two wheels that kind of turn each other as the runner goes, and for some reason the wheels just stop turning, so I kind of have to hand crank it. But it's okay because the adhesive is totally worth it. I absolutely love it, so I'll just be investing for a new dispenser. So as you can see, I just fussy bladed a couple of doodads and I'm mounting them on foam adhesive just to give them some dimension as per usual. And I absolutely love that little spiderweb doily behind the photos, by the way. I got that from Christina Sorge from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. And that orange flare button from my friend Shadnee's shop, I'll link her below as well. Just adding some wood veneers just to add some balance to the layout, which is why I used the alphas that I did for World just to mimic that wood veneer look. The title was a bit of a challenge for me just because I like things that are linear and it just was looking really funky, so I kind of just wrapped that word around the photo and added some yellow hearts because the height of the Ewok was shorter than the height of the U. So I did feel like there was a little bit missing, so I did fussy blade a little bat out and place it right over the O, and I thought that was really cute. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this quick and short video, and I hope it provided you with a little bit of spooky inspiration today. I hope you join us for the rest of the month. If you do, please be sure to use the hashtag 31 days of spooky scraps. Thank you so much and have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!